Well, a 6-year-old from Amherst is proving that you are never too young to do your part. News 4's Jerika Duncan introduces us to Connor Gill and his quest to help clean up the Gulf oil spill.
A dolphin, a spotted seal.
6-year-old Connor Gill loves animals, especially pelicans. But these horrific images from the Gulf of his favorite bird left Connor feeling helpless.
I was watching the news and I saw the oil spill all over the ocean. And then I was thinking about the animals.
We could hear him crying, and we're like, Connor, what's the matter? He's like, the birds, look at the birds. He was very distraught and upset about the fact that here's, these beautiful creatures, and now they're just drenched in oil.
Connor's mother, who owns a gift shop in Amherst, decided she would help.
My mom said then, we can sell Webkinz and then donate $2.
For every Webkinz stuffed animal sold, his mother will donate at least $2 to Connor's cause. How much money have you been able to raise so far?
Over 100.
Over $100?
Yeah.
What is your goal?
5,000.
Once he reaches his goal, his mother plans to take him to the Gulf so he can see how his money is being used to help save the pelicans. I spoke to someone from the National Audubon Society. They're the organization that takes those oil-covered birds to a location where they can get cleaned. They say they're looking forward to receiving those donations and, of course, meeting little Connor. This isn't the 6-year-old's first introduction to doing what's right. He helps in his mother's store and volunteers with his parents at the American Red Cross and the Chautauqua County Boys and Girls Club.
My husband and I have always made sure that he understands the importance of thinking about other people.
And in this case, he's thinking about the birds that could use more people like Connor to come to their aid. Jerika Duncan, News 4.
Well, Connor's mother has teamed up with M&T Bank, where you can make a donation in Connor's name. For more information on how you can help, go to our website, WIVB.com. Great kid.